All right, I pulled, that was where the Yukon Golds were. All of that row, that whole row for nothing. Well, I mean, I say nothing. I got something. I'm not gonna complain. I got something. But so far I've done this part of this row right here. From over there, I still got about half of it left, and then I got another one right here to go, and then I'm gonna wait and do those in maybe tomorrow. But this is what I have so far. So a little bit better, but you know, it's not great. It's not great by any means. See, I got this all the small stuff right here. The biggest one I had, I put that stupid fork through it. Well, there's a nice one I see right here. Decent. That big old worm. That's a decent potato. But this one, I missed it. So that's what I'm getting, y'all. Nothing earth-shattering. Y'all know the story. Planted these, freeze hit them. Then unrelenting rain. And then after that, almost another freeze. It did get down to 32, but it didn't kill them. But still, that ain't, you know, that probably hurt them. So, you know, what you do, you know, you just do this, you know, you just, I got something here. That's enough potatoes for me to do something with, you know, jawing and keeping. And I'll set back. I got some set back from last year still that I had. And all of these potatoes were free, because this was seed stock I had from last year, because I had a pretty good bit. And then people gave me potatoes. That row right there was given to me. So we'll see what happens with that. And I still have a little bit more right here. So I might end up with probably about half a bucket or a little bit more. Not bad. That's enough for my family. Anyway, just letting y'all see, you know, the good, the bad, the ugly. This is they're not so good. It's not ugly, but well, you know, I wish I had more. I wish I had bigger potatoes. But it's not so bad. It's not so bad, y'all. Thanks for watching. Alright. I finished doing this row, and I did get roughly half a bucket of potatoes. A lot of them are small. As I got down here where it was staying wetter, I did run into a few that were rotting in the ground. But I got a little bit more of a row over there to do. I can't go no more. I'm tired. My arms are about to fall off from hanging OSB. So digging ain't easy. All right, I'm gonna do this tomorrow. All right, y'all. The potatoes are totally dug. Everything I have is dug up. This is all the Yukon Golds I got. That ain't much. It's just, you know, that many right there. I threw out, they had some rotten ones still, but these are drying. They almost dry. But what a shame. It should have been a lot more. I was expecting a lot more after what I saw coming up in the ground in the beginning. I was expecting a lot more from what I saw coming up in the ground in the beginning. But, you know, nature has a way of doing what it does. So, and, you know, what else you gonna do? It's a harvest. I'm not sad. I'm a little disappointed, but you know, I got potatoes there. Now I'm gonna show you the rest of them. This here is the rest of the harvest. Again, from here to about here, that's all the reds I got. That's it. And you know, I kept small ones in there. There's a couple Yukon Golds I found straggling out, but I don't care. They're small. They're not. But there's one right here. Put them together. There's about 4 of them. But it's okay. And this right here, and doing a comment on Lazy Dog Homestead, Travis said these are probably Kennebecks. I didn't know what they were. I was telling him about I got some free potatoes from my mom and dad that they were going bad. They were growing in the bag. They pretty much started rotting and all that. So I just cut off pieces that were good and I planted them. And this right here is what I got. So you know, it's potatoes, but he said it's more than likely Kennebec because I just described it as a regular old Irish potato. They didn't grow big. I mean, y'all know the story. It dealt with freeze, rain, freeze, rain. It was a terrible growing season for them, but I got something. So I'm going to jar away. All of these potatoes, though, I didn't pay for a single seed potato. These were potatoes that I wintered over from last year. So, this is seed stock that came from potatoes I grew last year. And I still got a few of those left in the drawer in the refrigerator that are still they look like I picked them yesterday. So I got potatoes. So anyway, don't ever get too discouraged. I mean, even on a bad year, it's not terrible. And this is only my second year doing it. Last year I thought I did bad, but I really did pretty good, I think. This year, you know, I got potatoes. Can't be mad. This is going to be plenty enough to put in some jars for what we use potatoes for. And we'll rock and roll with that. Okay, it's on to garlic and a few onions.